Do you want to enjoy more high-quality protein without breaking the bank? Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to power up your plate while only dirtying one pan with my new recipe for balsamic glazed sheet pan pork chops. To get started, whisk together a 1/4 cup of Gustari Vita balsamic vinegar, a 1/4 cup of Gustari Vita olive oil, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Place 2 boneless pork top loin chops in the bowl and marinate for 30 minutes prior to cooking. While the pork chops are marinating, it's time to prep the veggies. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Then slice 2 sweet potatoes and cut 1 small white onion into slices. Sweet potatoes contain more potassium than a banana, helping support healthy blood pressure. Next, line a large rimmed baking sheet with foil and coat with non-stick spray. Arrange the veggies on the pan, lightly drizzle with oil, and sprinkle with remaining oregano, salt, or pepper to taste. Place the veggie pan in the oven to bake for 15 minutes. Once the time is up, remove the pork chops from the marinade and discard what's left in the bowl. Add the pork chops to the sheet pan to roast with the vegetables for another 12 to 15 minutes, or until the pork has reached an internal temp of 145 degrees. After that, all that's left to do is plate, serve, and enjoy. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for other meal and snack ideas that simplify the stress of meal planning, ask your local Hy-Vee dietitian about our 4-week Healthy Habits menu program today.